Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dr. Rajesh Berde from Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati. First of all, I am very much thankful to the organizer for giving me such a platform to represent my research here. Today, I am presenting investigation of DC conductivity of polyaniline NaO2 composite. As we know, conducting polymer has been broadly studied because of its various applications in gas sensors, batteries, light emitting diode, solar cells, etc. etc. Polyaniline is the most prominent polymer amongst the various polymers due to its unique properties like electrical property, easy for synthesis, environmental stability, etc. and various applications like rechargeable batteries, photovoltaic cell, etc. The preferable formation of sodium superoxide at the oxygen side is due to the transport limitation of gaseous oxygen through the electrolyte filled cathode structure. It is known that the sodium superoxide can be formed as a stable and solid compound. Experimental procedure. Polyaniline was chemically synthesized at room temperature by oxidative polymerization method. The suitable quantity of ammonium persulfate was dissolved in deionized water and subsequently kept for magnetic stirring for 1 hour. The aniline monomer was added in ammonium persulfate solution in dropwise manner under the constant magnetic stirring for 2 hours. The resultant product appears greenish black. The product was filtered and washed until the filtrate becomes colorless and dried it at 45 degrees Celsius in an oven for overnight. The sodium superoxide was prepared in a single step method by heating sodium nitrate in oxygen rich environment. The polyaniline NaO2 composite were prepared in wet percent stoichiometry by organic media using ex situ technique. The composite's preparation range was fixed from 5 to 20 wet percent. The figure 1 shows the XRD pattern of prepared sodium superoxide. The peak position appeared in pattern exactly indexed to NaO2 according to JCPDS data. The XRD pattern for pure Pani and Pani NaO2 composite are as shown in figure 2. Figure 2a shows XRD pattern for pure Pani, as Pani is inherently amorphous and hence there are no sharp peaks for pure Pani. The peak of NaO2 are seen in XRD of Pani NaO2 composite as shown in figure 2b to a along with some other peaks. However, intensity of 200 and 222 peaks are suppressed in Pani NaO2 composite as compared to the XRD of pure NaO2. This suggests that NaO2 is present in a Pani matrix. However, these peaks are slightly shifted from their respective standard position, which may be due to presence of Pani matrix. The calculated value of D spacing, interchange separation, and crystallite size corresponding to the highest intense crystalline peak of Pani NaO2 composite are as mentioned in table 1. The figure 3 shows the same image of 20 wet percent of Pani NaO2 composite. From the image, it is observed that grains are high agglomerated and good interconnectivity between the particles. Such morphology helps the transportation of charged particle through the carbon backbone of polymer chain. The entire region of micrograph shows that sample exhibit an irregular granule morphology. The figure 4 shows the relation of DC conductivity with temperature. This relation varies exponentially with temperature. The result shows the positive influence on temperature dependent conducting property of Pani, which may be caused by the mobility of counter ions. This is attributed to the modification of bulk morphology of Pani NaO2 composite. It is observed that conductivity increases with temperature. The reason for the increase in the conductivity is attributed to the thermal energy at higher temperature to excite electron to the conduction band. Such behavior can be expressed by the Arrhenius equation. The dependence on temperature of DC electrical conductivity of the composite is similar to the semiconducting behavior. The electrical conductivity of this composite increases with temperature in all the composite as the weight percent of NaO2 increases and exhibit a thermal electron process and a hopping process. The various values of conductivities and activation energy of Pani NaO2 composite is as shown in the table 2. The highest value of conductivity is found to be 1.59 into 10 raised to power minus 7 Siemens per centimeter for 20 weight percent of NaO2 composite. Now, conclusion. The sodium superoxide was prepared in a single step method by heating sodium nitrate in oxygen rich environment. The Pani NaO2 composite were prepared using ex situ technique range from 5 to 20 weight percent with the interval of 5 weight percent. The peak position appear in XRD pattern of as prepared sodium superoxide exactly index the NaO2. The peak of NaO2 are seen in XRD of Pani NaO2 composite suggests that NaO2 is present in a Pani matrix and presence of Pani has influenced the prepared orientation of NaO2 grains to some extent. The entire region of same shows that sample exhibit an irregular granule morphology. The DC conductivity shows Arrhenius type temperature dependence. The electrical conductivity of this composite increases with temperature in all these composites as the weight percent of NaO2 concentration is increased, and this exhibit the thermal electron process and hopping process. The maximum value of conductivity and minimum value of activation energy are found to be in the range of 1.59 into 10 raised to power minus 7 Siemens per centimeter and 0.56 electron volt for 20 weight percent of NaO2 at 390 degree Kelvin respectively. These are the various references used for this research paper. Thank you very much.